Welcome to Learner's Planet. Lesson 5, Naming Words, Nouns, One and Many. Students, today we are going to learn about one and many. Rule 1. Add s to a naming word to show the plural, many things. Students, you should know that plural means many things. Let's see the example. My brother takes 5 pens to his school, but I bring only 1 pen to the class. So, 1 pen is singular pen. Pen is a naming word, noun. It is 1, so it is singular. But 5 pens make the pen as pens. We add s to pen, and so it becomes more than 1. It is called plural. My brother takes 5 pens to his school, but I bring only 1 pen to the class. So 5 pens and 1 pen. Another rule, add es to a naming word ending in ch, o, s, sh, double s, x and z to show the plural many things. Let us see an example. I have kept all the potatoes in the 2 boxes. Which means, students, if the word was box, B-O-X, it ended in X, so to make it plural to show more than 1, we add ES. So it becomes B-O-X-E-S, boxes. Similarly, students, potatoes. Potato is 1, potatoes becomes plural, more than 1. Add es to words ending in o. So, potato, es, potatoes. Now students, let me show you how all this takes place. Pen plus s gives pens. So pens is more than 1 pen. Door plus s gives doors, more than 1 door. So rule said that you have to add s to show more than 1 naming word. Dog plus s gives dogs, more than 1 dog. Oh, here is a dog. Table plus s gives tables. Tables is more than 1 table. Star. Star plus s gives stars. So more than 1 star are called stars. Now, box, because it ends in x, we will add es. Boxes shows more than 1 box. Here is a box. Bus. Add es becomes buses. Shows more than 1 bus. Why are we adding es? Because it ends in s. If you look at your rules, double s also, whenever the naming word ends in double s, you have to add es. So glass plus es becomes glasses. Shows more than 1 glass. Potato, remember we did that? Potato plus es gives potatoes, more than 1 potato. Watch plus es gives watches, more than 1 watch. See, 2 watches. Okay, now let's come to rule 2. Add ves to naming words ending in f and fe. First, let me show you the naming words. Knife ends in FE. Leaf ends in F. Shelf, this is a shelf, ends in F. Thief, thief ends in F. Wife, ending in FE. So, whenever you have to change the singular noun, so one means singular, single, to plural, then you will add VES. Knife becomes knives. So with FE, we add VES. Leaf becomes leaves. Shelf becomes shelves. So the F changes to VES. Thief becomes thieves. VES. Wife becomes wives. Now students, before I take you to the next slide, I would like to show you some exceptions. Exceptions means that the rule is not true for those words. So if you remember the S and ES rule, it has one exception. What is it? Photo plus S gives photos. The naming word photo ends in O. If we follow the rule, we have to add ES. But this does not follow the first rule and it says, I will add only S. So it becomes photo plus S and not ES. So we get photos. Just like this exception, we have another exception for the next rule. Roof, F should be changed to VES, but in these cases, to your F you just add S. Roofs. So roof plus S becomes roofs. The leaf plus S becomes the leaves. Alright students, you must know the exceptions. Now let me take you to the next slide. Here is your exercise. Pick up the correct noun. Mother always keeps 2 dash in the kitchen. Knife or knives? Yes students? 2 means more than one. When it ends in FE, it shows it is just one. And the plural is VES. So with 2, which is more than one, we will take knives. Alright students, let us go to the next. He was talking to his dash on the mobile. He was talking to his dash on the mobile. Yes student, to his wife or wives. If he is talking on the phone, he can talk to one person. So it has to be singular. It has to be one, which is wife. So, students, the correct answer is wife and not plural or more than one, wives. So the correct answer is wife. Let's go to the third one. The police says that the gold was stolen by 3 dash. Thief or thieves? Thief or thieves? How will you find out students? The police says that the gold was stolen by 3. 3 means more than one. For more than one, the rule is F changes to VES. So the correct answer is thieves. So the police says that the gold was stolen by 3 thieves. Now students, the next one. The forest is full of wolves. Very important students. The forest is full of wolves. When the forest is full of something, students, then there is more than one of that thing. Students, if this is your forest and it is full of something, then there cannot be just one of that thing. There has to be many, more than one. Alright students, see, look at the drawing. So when there is more than one wolf, the F changes to VES and the correct answer is wolves. The forest is full of wolves. Very important one. The monkey is jumping over the dash of our houses. The monkey is jumping over the roof or roofs of our houses. Houses means more than one. So, for more than one houses, you will have many roofs. So, roofs is the correct answer. Because there is more than one house, you will mark more than one roof. And if you go and look at the exception, roof becomes roofs. Alright students, this was the activity. Let us quickly revise. Mother always keeps 2 knives in the kitchen. He was talking to his wife on the mobile. The police says that the gold was stolen by 3 thieves. The forest is full of wolves. The monkey is jumping over the roofs of our houses. Now students, let's go to the next rule. Add IES to naming words ending in Y. Baby, city, fairy, lady, story. All these naming words end in Y. When they end in Y, to show more than one of these naming words or to show the plural, you add IES and take away Y. So, baby becomes babies, city becomes cities, fairy becomes fairies, lady becomes ladies, story becomes stories. Now, let's look at the slide. Add S to naming words ending in Y. In the last slide also, students, we have done words ending in Y. But on this slide, add S to naming words ending in Y, but with the vowel A, E, I, O, U before Y. So, this means if you have just before Y a vowel, what is a vowel, students? A, E, I, O, U. If you have a vowel before the Y ending, you have to add S to make it plural. I repeat, when you have a vowel before the Y ending, to make its plural add S. Boy becomes boys, day becomes days, monkeys becomes monkeys, toy becomes toys. Let me take you back to the rule 3. Third, baby becomes babies. Why? Because B-A-B-Y. B is not a vowel. B is a consonant. Come to city, C-I-T-Y. T is a consonant. So we add I-E-S. Fairy, R. R is a consonant. Lady, D is a consonant. So it changes to ladies, I-E-S. Story, S-T-O-R-Y. R is a consonant, not a vowel. But when we come to rule 4, boy, B-O-Y, O is a vowel. Day, D-A-Y, A is a vowel. Monkey, E is a vowel. T-O-Y, O is a vowel. So students, whenever we have a naming word ending in Y but has a vowel before it, we will add S to make its plural. Boy becomes boys, day, days, monkey, monkeys, toy, toys. Let's do this activity. The girl got dash for the 3 dash. See, toy or toys. It has to be more than one because there are 3 of them. So, toy or toys. The correct answer is more than one, plural, so we take toys. Also students, because before Y there is a vowel, we will add S. Now, for the 3 baby or babies, 3 means more than one, plural, so we will pick up babies. Y changes to IES because B is a consonant sound. Babies. Next, we are going to New York for some day or days. We are going to New York for some day or days. Some means more than one. So we will pick days, which is plural. Students, please note D-A-Y, A is a vowel, so the plural is days and not days. We will not add IES. Next, it rained in many cities today. It rained in many cities today. Many means more than one. So the correct answer would be cities. Students, again city, C-I-T-Y, T is a consonant, so the plural is IES. Next, that helpful dash, lady or ladies, always gives us biscuits to eat. That helpful dash always gives us biscuits to eat. That means one. That shows one and not more than one. That helpful lady always gives us biscuits to eat. Lady. Next, a group of dash are playing in our garden. Boys. Students, the correct answer is boys, not boy. A group means more than one. So let's revise. The girl got toys for the 3 babies. We are going to New York for some days. It rained in many cities today. That helpful lady always gives us biscuits to eat. A group of boys are playing in our garden. Alright students, let's move to the next slide. Change of vowel. Singular man becomes men when we say more than one man. Woman becomes women. Foot becomes feet. Tooth becomes teeth. Mouse becomes mice. Let's revise. Man becomes men. Woman becomes women. Foot becomes feet. Tooth becomes teeth. Mouse becomes mice. Let's go to the next slide. How many men ate chocolates? Many shows more than one. So we will pick up man or men. Men. This shows the plural, more than one. Next, the dash took all the flowers in his hands. In his hands means there is one person. So, man or men? Man. The man took all the flowers in his hands. Students, the next one, the 4 dash are walking in the park. The 4 women or women. 4 means more than one. So what is the plural form? Women. The 4 women. Next, I saw 2 mice in my room today. 2 means more than one. And which is the plural one? Mouse or mice? Mice. So, I saw 2 mice in my room today. Last one. He will show both his broken dash to a dentist tomorrow. He will show both his broken. Both means 2. So if it is 2, it is more than one. Students, tooth or teeth, more than one, plural is teeth. He will show both his broken teeth to a dentist tomorrow. He is a naughty child. Now students, Rule 6. These are other rules you should know. Child becomes children, ox becomes oxen, sheep remains as sheep. There is no difference between singular one sheep and more than one sheep plural. Similarly, aircraft remains aircraft. Species remains species. Alright students? Child, children, ox, oxen, sheep, sheep, aircraft, aircraft, species, species. Let's do an activity. A few dash was standing at the candy shop. Child or children? Few means more than one. So the correct answer is children. Next, mother put 2 deers in my toy jungle. Mother put 2. 2 means more than one. But deer remains deer. There is no difference between singular and plural, one and many deer. So the correct answer is deer. Last exercise. We'll do it very quickly, students. She put 2 dash in the baked dish. 2 means many. Potato, potatoes. The correct answer is potatoes because it is 2. Next, that dash stole a video camera and a CD player from our house yesterday. That dash, that means there is just one. So the answer would be thief or thief. One means singular. Thief. The correct answer is thief. That thief stole a video camera and a CD player from our house yesterday. Now the third one. She is holding her mother's left dash to cross the road. Hand or hands. Students, she cannot hold both the hands. She cannot hold 2 hands of her mother. How will she walk? Also, she is holding the left hand. There is just one left hand. So the correct answer is hand. She is holding her mother's hand to cross the road. Left hand. Next, the farmer saw all his dash grazing on his neighbor's farm. The farmer saw all his sheep or sheep. If you remember the rules, there is no word called sheep. Sheep is singular, sheep is plural. So for more than one sheep also we use sheep. The correct answer is sheep. The farmer saw all his sheep grazing on his neighbor's farm. Last one, students. We have to make 3 dash of this paper. Copy, copies. 3 means more than one. Y changes to IES. So the correct answer is Copies. We have to make 3 copies of this paper. Now students, let's read all these. She put 2 potatoes in the baked dish. That thief stole a video camera and a CD player from our house yesterday. She is holding her mother's left hand to cross the road. The farmer saw all his sheep grazing on his neighbor's farm. We have to make 3 copies of this paper. Thank you, students.